Ngasekuqaleni kwaleli sonto ngesikhathi iqembu iCongress of the People linesithangami nabezindaba limemezele ukuthi sekuhlukene inhloko nesixhanti phakathi kwalo nobengusomlomo womkhandlu wase Goli. Khathi ephefumula esidlangalaleni kokuqala ngokuxoshwa kwakhe kuCope, uMakhubele uthe iCope imxoshe ngoba engumuntu wesifazane ozimisele ukuhola abantu.
They fired me because they could and because they had the power to. These are men, and it's a culture within our nation, and I'm putting a challenge to all women out there, that the men feel they're entitled to lead.
uMakhubele uthi umengameli weCope wayeyingxenye yalomfelandawonye kusukela ekuqaleni kodwa akusenjalo.
My president, whom I will continue to honor, President Lukota, was very instrumental in forming this SERA. It was the legacy that he wanted to leave as one who led UDF. He taught us many things around this table, in this room and in other rooms because we would meet in this venue, about the UDF, about the alternative party that must be formed, uniting everybody to change the nation.
uMakhubele uthe iSARA isiqalile ukubhalisela ukungena okhethweni langonyaka ozayo. I-South African Rainbow Alliance efinyezwa ngokuthi iSARA ingumfelandawonye wamaqembu afana ne-NFP kanye nezinhlangano zomphakathi ikakhulu amabandla.